Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies using an easy recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, flour, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper for easy removal. This simple setup ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your melted butter and sugar, stirring until well blended. Next, whisk in the 2 eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is smooth and creamy. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fudgy brownies. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into the prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Spread it out gently to ensure an even thickness. Pop it into your preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before cutting. Patience is key for perfect brownies. Once your brownies are completely cool, it's time for the best part, cutting and enjoying them. Use a sharp knife to cut them into your preferred size, perhaps 2 by 2-inch squares. You can dust them with a little powdered sugar for a classic look, or serve them warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. They're perfect for any occasion. Also, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for links, including a fantastic car air freshener. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.